Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best portable table saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Portable Table Saws. We have crunched all the data available and decided that the best overall table saw is the DeWalt 10-inch table saw. It is affordable, has a smooth rolling stand, all the power and speed you could need. You may be in the market for some new equipment for your very own woodworking shop. Or perhaps you want to buy a gift for a loved one, or you have a big construction project coming up. Number 5. Rockwell Blade Runner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. Take this table saw to the job site or move it around the workshop. There's even a built-in carry handle. The standard guard and riving knife system you can perform rip. Main features: onboard accessory storage. Cuts like a full-size. Toolless blade change. Number 4. DeWalt Table Saw for Job Site 8 1/4 inch. Table saw includes onboard storage for blade guard assembly, non-through-cut riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, miter gauge and push stick. The rack and pinion fence allow for fast. Main features: power 15 amp motor. Onboard storage. Easy adjustments. Number 3. Makita 2705 10-inch Contractor Table Saw. Adjustable dual side guards allow for ease of measurement from the blade to the rip fence for cutting setups. 2 onboard independent stowable anti-kickback pawls. Main features: height adjustments. Modular blade guard system. Powerful 15.0 amp motor. Number 2. Skill 10-inch table saw with folding stand. Easy transport. Cut height capacity. Cuts through 4 times materials. Self-aligning rip fence for accurate measurements. Miter gauge guides workpieces when making cross cuts. Main features: easy view measurement system. Cord length 6 feet. Heavy-duty steel stand. Number 1. DeWalt Way 7491 RS 10-inch table saw and system make fence adjustments fast. The 32 1/2-inch rip capacity easily cuts a variety of larger shelving and trim materials. Main features: 15.0 a high torque motor. Rolling stand designed. 24-tooth carbide blade. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.